with these MCs every time they tell me rumble. Pass the mic and the next cat will fumble. Since I make such simple bars when they mumble, handle my work with the bzzz next couple. Be about it, transform minds of the struggle. Hustle, spiritual world, knowing sounds better held. Never see him coming cause the moves be stealth. In my own lane, this ain't no math. Crystal clear views, not some complicated math. Giant tides and flames in my goddamn rap. Preparing, still the damn audience is spread. Murderers came for the killing, for the death. Then I bring it back, giving life it's a birth. Plant seeds of revolution in your mother mind. So wild as ancestors on horses, taking back the land from the true school of bending that word. Ingwe is a beast.
Sky, walk.
Ingwe rips up in your ribcage. I'm not tearing your best, screaming, let it all out. Homie saying with your chest, no comparison. Nigga, I'm the truth, not the best. Tell your little splish of gold. You don't need no cash since you won't be walking it off or with the need to rest. When I touch the mic, man, you know the crowd is blessed. Whack rappers travel when I pass it like it's cursed. Leave your face looking weird and feeling best. Chest pains every time you hear what is next. Told you you'll be trembling, feeling vexed. Villain raps, feeling like the man in the mask. Given that task, then I finish that task. It's the white elephant on the desk. In a room full of whack, happy boys say they go. I'm a fast, takes a break, this ain't too late. Not here to save, but take. Soling on to the damn bones, not just small. Tell me this for jumping, not some shopping at the mall. You got use a beast, war shit, do not fall like your pop on the tree. That's the zone, that's the zone. Is a beast on a tree, eating early birds. Never ask for shit, that's for free. Like daily prayers, daddy cat, up and slice an eagle's throat. Eating off the solo hunt, never find him with a pack or a prize. Stand alone, I don't hide. Clear skins in my family, jumping your kangaroo, tear down your bangaloo. Threat to a tourist and terrorist, bad trip to a pharmacist. Attack as a zoologist and a vet, not a pet. Remember that wickedness you and your son had during your vacation, make you vacate. Feel my injury on a tree, self-medicate. Order the hunter in demo and pain. Then he ate. Ingwe is a beast, not a giant, no assist. No cat, pay no rent, I'm outside. No speed, I'm talking, no gun, no knife. Lose your life if you ever go against nature itself. I'm talking no shot, no stab, no jab. Lights out in the night, man, it's that shit you can't fight. Choose life or get on the stairway to heaven. Choose life or you can get a free headstone. I love the mic with stone cold flows. Make ice age, reminds you just one page or 2, 3. So man, I'm a cat in the wild. Human got killed cause it smiled. Find you in my forest, eat you and your child. Whack weapons think they fire but they just smile. When I bring the heat, your whole crew gets fried. You want to be tested or tried. You might just get to be the one who died. Ingwe is a beast, not no cat you get fed. Ingwe is a beast, I want blood and not bread. Ingwe is a beast, biting off your damn head. Coughing out of fur ball, it's your beard and thread. Ingwe is a beast, truly something to the dead. Got the never run away type of presence. Kill you with a sentence, it's a death penalty. Guillotines drop heads and I kick them to the net. It's a different type of set.
Sky, walk.
Be warm up.